Hi guys, so again I'm back. So today in this class I'm teaching you the chapter Winter Morning Poem. So in last two videos I have given you much more information about the winter season. That is it is the season that comes before the spring. In fact, it is usually the coldest season, and in fact even in the even if in some places freezing temperature are there, then snow and ice falls there. In fact, in even places that they don't get snow or weather, if cold weather is there, then in fact that also a winter season. And in fact winter season is the perfect time to enjoy the beauty of the nature and enjoy the beauty of the season, whether you are in on your hometown or you are celebrating any holiday. So this is the very important, this is very interesting, you can it is the perfect season. It's a winter season. That's just like I told that it is the four season in our India, like summer, winter, spring, and summer, winter, spring, monsoon. Sorry, five seasons: summer, winter, spring, monsoon, and autumn. So this is the five season in our India. So in fact it's changing, the weather is changing, season is also changing. And in fact so this is what like in mainly the snow, freezing temperature if it's too much winter. And I told that this poem has written by Frederick Ogden Nask. In fact he was a very American, he was an American poem who is very, in fact he is very talented. And in his interview he said that he think in terms of rhymes. If he don't get any words from the rhymes, then he's just, in fact he's inventing the new words, and then he's just writing the poems. Then I told that I will told you that which games we can enjoy in winter season, and which food we like to eat. So let's start. Like mostly we are using we are likes to eat, we loves to play outdoors, because it's the summer season, and mostly we are playing the badmintons, and we are playing the more games are there. In fact the winter brings about tons of activities, like thousands of activities. We can play, we can eat lots of food, in fact the hot food, and we like to eat also. And then we can play outdoor games like such as skiing, and then ice skating. If suppose the icy areas are there and too much ice falls there, then on that places we can enjoy, we can make a snowman also. In fact we can use this ice skating also, and we can in fact, and so on. There is too many games that we can enjoy. And we can mostly we likes to eat like cold rain, hot water, hot juice, then hot coffees. In fact the hot food also, like mango, like guava, then pineapple, then strawberry. These all we likes to eat in winter season. In fact if we are more interested to stay indoors, then winter season is the perfect excuse to stay inside. Suppose if the people don't want to go outside and don't want to go do any some things, then it's the perfect excuses of the winter season that we can stay inside, also inside the house. In fact we can stay in the blanket also. And in fact we can inside the home also, and we can read the books, and we can watch the movies also, and we can spend the quality times with the family members also. So I hope that only this much I told, I have given you the information about the winter season, and I hope that you all are understood about the winter seasons. So let's start to read the chapter poem. Like now children slide on the snow with the help of skating, play with their friends, and make snowmen from snow. You can see this, I'm showing you the picture. Here is the some children are playing on snow, and they all are playing, and they all are making the snowman. So see, these all the people are the children, they all are playing in a snow area. Now let's start the poem, to read the poem about the winter. Winter is the king of showmen. Yes, winter is the king of the perfect source for the entertainments, which it is the perfect season that we can source for entertainments. We can enjoy like much more, like I have told that we can enjoy to go outside, to play more games. and if in fact we can give excuses also, that if we don't want, sometimes we don't want, then we can give the excuses also that and in fact we can be in the blanket and we can enjoy to watch those movies and to read the books. So it is the perfect season. In fact, it is the king. Winter is the king of the season, which people who perform in shows for entertainments. Then turning trees stumps into snowmen and houses into birthday cakes. In fact, if the bottom part of the tree that is left, and when the falls or it cuts down, it shows like the houses into the birthday cakes, and spread sugars over lakhs. It's showing that that it is the cake, and it is spreading the sugars all over the cakes. Lakhs. Smooth and clean and frosty white. The world looks good enough to bite. Means the season it's look like smooth, clean and white. It looks like a it's look like a good and enough bite. That's the season to be young, catching snowflakes on your tongue. So it is the season that young they can catch the piece of snow which falls from the sky, and they having a lovely shape. In fact, they are making the snowman also. Snow is snowy when it's snowing. So snow is like a snow area when the snow is there, like icy is there. I'm sorry, it's slushy when it's going. Then he's saying that I'm sure it is covered, in fact is melted with snow when it is going in our hand. Suppose if we can take a ice cube and we can put it in our hand, then it can melt and it can form into a water, and it can goes also down and it can melt into the water. So like that, snow is also melting, and it can enjoy like the winter season. The people they are enjoying. In fact, you cartoon character also you can see that winter season they are all enjoying. In fact, they are wearing the gloves, scarf. In fact, everybody they are covered with woolen cloths, and then after they are enjoying the winter season, snow seasons. So only that much chapter. I hope you guys understood the chapter, and in next video I will give you the word meaning, a word, so that you can find out their meaning from the dictionary, and then all the word you can write down it in your literature copy. Thank you, and for the word meaning you just watch the next videos. Thank you and have a nice day.